probably get out of here.
We should probably get out of here. Yeah. We should. The water just pushed right through the boardwalk and it's coming down the block. Coming down the block. It's about 5:45.
That's it. You recording me?
Yes.
She says $10. What I get for $10 is a penguin. He says, what's a penguin? He says, she says, you'll see. So he drops his pants all the way down around his ankles as he starts going down on them. Just before he's finished, he gets up and runs away. And he goes,
Yeah, right.
that water would knock you right off your feet. Even though it doesn't look deep.
Are the winds supposed to get much stronger?
I think so.
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't want to see this and you never walk through that. I don't want you walking through that.
There's a piece of wood right here. Watch out. Well, that wood right there is going to catch the wind and just go.
What's left of the beach.
Hero training. Huh?
That's the fireman? Bro, training.
Yeah, that's it.
Good training!
That's it. It's their job right now. They gotta, be out there.
What did he say?
Woo! 3-day weekend.
Yes. Well, it was going to be where the race has been, but you know what? I get paid for tomorrow anyway, and I don't lose a signal. Uh-oh. There goes the power.
Nothing to do about it. No, this guy that's up. Ready to perform? Huh?
Yeah, look at this.
Other ramp. Chop, chop, come
Come.
That was both ramps. That's going into that tree. That was both ramps. Oh, fuck. I hope nobody's out walking right now and doesn't see this ramp coming at them.
No, nobody can walk on this right now.
There goes
Hey,
more. Check the basement.
The other one broke free. Flowing towards the car. Bounced off a pole. There it is. Oh, down power line. Shocking. Zapping. It's just spinning it. See the line zapping? It's just spinning.
Keep her in the house. Don't let her back
Look at
out.
big ass head. Fucking lightning show from the power line.
Watch out, because they could come flying off the line and snap up at us, so be careful. Are you drunk?
Just trying to make the best out of a terrible
Terrible, monstrous storm. We're just gonna go ahead and try to make the best of this fucking terrible storm. Water's coming up the stairs. Transformers blowing all around. We just seen 2 pieces of the boardwalk float by the house. Expecting these transformers to blow any minute.
The power's out on the boardwalk because the boardwalk's gone.
Of course it is.
Yeah, there's no more.
There's no boardwalk, so there's no...
We got waves crashing on the front stairs right now.
Yes, Steve, go back there.
I just heard a pop over there.
I can't believe this. Is that clear on your camera? I really want to get that. It's not going to go anywhere probably, maybe.
Carlo,
Yeah.
all is lost. Well, did you hear the good news?
What's that? Alright, keep an eye on the water. I don't want to fucking get caught in a quick tidal surge. Holy shit! That's insane. Have a seat at the boardwalk, baby.
we're on a dirt road pretty much, like in somewhere out west, and like who knows where.
Does look like the house held up pretty well. Maybe the tiny thing
What tiny thing?
under the window up there.
Yeah.
House has been here for hundreds of years. That's something that this garbage is for.
John. Yeah. baby, let's get out of here. Wait, there might be what? It's treasure! Treasure chest. Look at that one.
Smells like something. Oh, this is bad. This block didn't get it too. It's still burning.
Yeah, no, he's on the other side.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
those are
he's, this side.
On the
Yeah. How the water splashed up there against that house.
I can't even fathom what it's going to take to come in here and clean this up and bring these cars. It's not going to be easy.
I told my landlord we are officially beachfront property.
Yeah, that's what everyone's saying. Oh, we want a beachfront.
I don't even recognize.
I wish the firemen would have went in there and pushed that thing back.
What house are you again?
This tan.
Need anything from the car?
I looked in there when the news crew was on the block because he's got the Sirius radios in there.
Damn.
Mike doesn't have any boots because guess where his boots are? In the car. Because he was using them in Georgiana.
Man, it's so high here.
I can't believe when I'm seeing
Wait until we walk onto the boardwalk. I want to make sure the whole board is gone.
That's the floor of the one on the floor.
Yeah, and right next door, the water was splashing on the outside of the building on the second loop. Looks like it was. Yeah.
I thought they were staying, but I guess they weren't.
I'm staying here. I'm not walking all the way down. Why?
Why? Oh, are we going to get average?
Someone in there. Just trying to. I don't know. Yeah, no.
Yeah, I don't know where he's trying to even go with his car.
Some of those cars were spilling gas, like your uncle's car.
Oh, no. I smell like oven gas. Do you smell the difference? Do you smell it?
Yeah.
I think she said that this block, they didn't get the gas at
So we should probably leave soon. block.